Good morning, students. Today, Wednesday, I'm your English teacher, Vittal Matriculation School. Students, are you all happy? Hope you're all doing well, right? In last class, what we have seen? Are you all remember? Yes, the supplementary, right? The title of the supplementary is The Red-Headed Leak. Are you all read the passage like scene 1, scene 2? You have to conversation between you and your friend, right? Choose one character and you have to read and speak with your friends. Okay, students, let me read the characters. Sherlock Holmes, the famous detective. Dr. Watson, a doctor and Sherlock's friend. Jabez Wilson, a red-haired shopkeeper. Vincent Spaulding, Wilson's assistant, also known as John Clay. Duncan Rose, Spaulding, accomplice, a man with red hair. Spaulding's accomplice, a man with red hair. And Mr. Jones, a detective from Scotland Yard. A detective from Scotland Yard. Okay, in last class, we have seen the scene 1 and scene 2, right? Today, we are continuing with the scene 3. Sherlock Holmes study. Holmes and Watson are sitting on chair. Holmes and Watson are sitting on chairs. See, first Holmes. There was never any red-headed leak. There was never any red-headed leak. The villains wanted Wilson away from the shop for some hours every day. Then Clay saw the color of Rose's hair and thought of a red-headed leak. So, when Wilson went to work in their office every day, they had time to make their tunnel. Very clever, very clever. Okay. Next, Watson. See? So, Spaulding is John Clay. Spaulding is John Clay, the notorious thief. So, Spaulding is John Clay, the notorious thief. When did you first know that? When did you first know that? I suspected when Spaulding was happy to work for half wakes. Why? I thought Spaulding often went down to the cellar. What's he doing down there? I thought. Tunnels? Is Spaulding make a tunnel? I thought. To another building? Watson, you saw me hitting the ground with my stick outside the shop. And then Watson? Yes, now I understand. Yes, now I understand. You wanted to know if the cellar was in front of the shop. Holmes? Yes, I did. And it wasn't. The cellar was behind the shop. Then I saw the man Spaulding. I recognized him immediately. Did you see? Did you see his trousers? They were dirty. Watson's why? Because making a tunnel is dirty work. Yes. Watson, very clever, Holmes. Then I went into the next street at the back of the shop, and what did I see? The bank. Watson, the bank? Yes, of course. Holmes, why is that young man making a tunnel? I thought to get into the bank's strong room, of course. Watson, but why tonight? How did you know? Holmes replied, because they closed the offices of the Red-Headed League. The tunnel must be ready, I thought. And Saturday is a good day. The bank does not open on Sunday. It would have given the thieves enough time to get away. Watson laughed. But they didn't get away, Holmes. You are very clever, Holmes, in a serious tone. That's very true, Watson. Yes. Okay, students, let me explain the scene 3. Okay. Students, you have to listen, okay? Holmes and his friends Watson were sitting in the study room. They were talking to each other about the episode that happened. Happened. Holmes tells Watson that there wasn't any red-headed leak at all. It was just that the robbers wanted Wilson to be away from his shop for some time in a day. Clay saw the color of Rose hair and thought of the name Red-Headed Leak. So the plan was, when Wilson was away from his shop every day, they can use that time to dig the tunnel. They were smart to think of such an idea. Watson could finally understand that Spaulding was John Clay, the famous thief. He asked Holmes, when did he come to know about that? Holmes said that he thought of everything that happened from the starting. First, Spaulding was ready to work for Wilson for off weeks, which no one will ever do. Second thing is, why was Spaulding often going to the cellar? It stuck to Holmes that maybe they are digging a tunnel, otherwise no one will go to the cellar so many times. But if he is making a tunnel, then to what place? Maybe to another building. That's the reason he tapped the ground to hear the hollow sound. Then Watson understood. Now that Holmes wanted to check if the cellar was in front of the shop. Holmes said that by tapping, he understood that the cellar was behind and not in front of the shop. When he first saw Spaulding, his doubts about the tunnel was clear as his pants were dirty. It is because while digging the tunnel, pants get dirty because of the mud. Watson felt Holmes was intelligent. Holmes said that the next went to see what lies behind the shop on the next street, and to his surprise, it was the bank. Watson responded, yes, there is a bank on the next street on the shop. So Holmes was clear that they dug the tunnel to get into the bank's locker room to rob it. And then Watson still had some questions regarding how Holmes know that the robbery will be happening on the night of that day. He asked why did they choose that night. Holmes said that all the red-headed league officers are closed. It means that the tunnel was ready. Holmes thought that as it was Saturday, it was good for robbery, since everything will be closed on Sunday and robbers will get time to escape. And then Watson understood the whole story and smiled as Holmes did not allow them to run away, and said the same to Holmes. Holmes just said in a serious tone that he was indeed intelligent. And then, see, meaning of difficult words. Okay. Students, are you all understood the scene 3? Yes. Hope you all understood the scene 3. Okay. Cellar. Cellar means basement. Cellar means basement. Here. Basement. And then off wakes. Off wakes means of the usual salary or wakes. Of the usual salary. Of wakes means of the usual salary. Of the usual salary. And then dirty work. Talks that are unpleasant. Dirty work means tasks that are unpleasant. S-A-N-T, unpleasant. Then serious tone, stun tone. Yeah, serious tone means stun tone. Yes. Okay, students, let me read the glossary. Are you all understood this passage? Scene 1, scene 2 and scene 3 of the red-headed leak? Yes. Okay. Glossary. Strong room. Strong room means a room in a bank designed to protect valuable items against fire and theft. A room in a bank designed to protect valuable items against fire and theft. And then crates, a wooden box used for transporting goods. A wooden box used for transporting goods. And investigation. Investigation means systematic examination. Systematic examination. Tunnel, an artificial underground passage. An artificial underground passage. Notorious, famous for some bad qualities. Famous for some bad qualities. Cellar, lower ground floor or basement. Lower ground floor or basement. Recognized, identified. Recognized, identified. Okay, students. Here, photography was Vincent Spaulding's hobby. No, Vincent Spaulding's hobby is not a photography, right? See, photography was Vincent Spaulding's hobby. No, that is false. And Mr. Rose did not want to hire Mr. Wilson. No, this statement also false. And Mr. Wilson worked for Mr. Rose for 6 weeks. No, this is also false. And then Mr. Jones was a lawyer. No, this is also false statement. And Spaulding dug a tunnel from the cellar of the shop of the jewelry shop. No, this statement also false statement. Okay, next, complete the table based on the information from the text. Complete the table based on the information from the text. Here, they give Holmes finds and clues, right? So, we have to find that. Okay, students, let me read Holmes' findings and clues. First one is Mr. Holmes found the tunnel. Mr. Holmes found the tunnel. Clue. What is the clue? Spaulding often went down to the cellar. The tunnel to dig Holmes was hitting the ground with his stick to find the location of the seller. He found out that the seller was behind the shop. Yes. Okay, you have to write it in your book. Okay. First one is Spaulding. Spaulding often went down. Often went down to the cellar. Down to the cellar. The tunnel to the tunnel to dig, to dig, dig, and Holmes, Holmes, Holmes was hitting, was was, was hitting, hitting, hitting the ground with his stick. The ground with his stick. And then to find the location of the seller. To find the location of the seller. And he found out that the seller was behind the shop. He found out that the seller was behind the shop. Behind the shop. It is so big, right? So you have to write it in your note. Okay, students, you have to write it in your note. Then Mr. Spaulding dug the tunnel. His trousers were dirty because he had been digging a tunnel. See? Wait. His trousers. His trousers were dirty. Because he had been digging a tunnel. Students, you have to write it in your note. Okay. And third one is, the tunnel was made to get into the bank's strong room. The bank was at the back of the shop. The bank was at the back of the shop. Okay. And last one is, Spaulding could be the thief. The clue is, Spaulding was happy to work for off weeks. Off week means off salary, right? Off weeks. The trousers were, and his trousers were dirty. Spaulding, Spaulding. Spaulding is John Clay. Is John Clay, the notorious thief. The notorious 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 thief. And he often went down to the cellar. He often went down to the cellar. Yes. Let me read it again. You have to check it, okay? Mr. Holmes found the tunnel. Here, Spaulding often went down to the cellar, the tunnel to dig. Holmes was hitting the ground with his stick to find the location of the cellar. He found out that the cellar was behind the shop. Mr. Spaulding dug the tunnel. His trousers were dirty because he had been digging a tunnel. The tunnel was made to get into the bank's strong room. The bank was at the back of the shop. Spaulding could be the thief. Spaulding was happy to work for half weeks. His trousers were dirty. Spaulding is John Clay, the notorious thief. He often went down to the cellar. Yes, next, answer the following questions. Answer the following questions. First question is, why did Jabez Wilson meet Mr. Holmes? Why did Jabez Wilson meet Mr. Holmes? The answer is, students, you have to take your note and write the answer. The answer is, the red-headed league in which Jabs worked was dissolved and his was disturbed. So, Jabs met Mr. Holmes for a solution. Why did Jabs Wilson meet Mr. Holmes? The red-headed league in which Jabs worked was dissolved and he was disturbed. So, Jabs met Mr. Holmes for a solution. And second question is, describe Vincent Spaulding. Describe Vincent Spaulding. Here, answer is, Vincent Spaulding is Jabs Wilson's assistant. Vincent Spaulding is Jabs Wilson's assistant. His real name is John Clay. His real name is John Clay. He is a notorious thief. He is a notorious thief. And then third question is, why did Spaulding spend a lot of time in the cellar? Why did Spaulding spend a lot of time in the cellar? Third question answer is, Spaulding was making a tunnel that connected to the strong room of the bank. So, he spent a lot of time in a cellar. Spaulding was making a tunnel that connected to the strong room of the bank. So, he spent a lot of time in the cellar. And fourth question is, why was Mr. Wilson had a copy the encyclopedia? Here see, the answer is, Mr. Wilson was had Mr. Wilson was hired to copy the encyclopedia so that Spaulding got enough time to dig a tunnel to the bank. Mr. Wilson was hired to copy the encyclopedia so that Spaulding got enough time to dig a tunnel to the bank. And fifth question is, how did Holmes' team catch the thieves? How did Holmes' team catch the thieves? Holmes' team hid in the strong room of the bank. When the thieves entered through the tunnel, they seized them. Holmes' team hid in the strong room of the bank. When the thieves entered through the tunnel, they seized him. Students, you have to write it in your note. Okay, students, these 5 questions you have to read and understand well. Okay, students, next. See, based on your reading of the text, complete the pyramid by arranging the sequence of the correct order. Here they give 7 statements from the text. We have to arrange it first. We have to arrange the 7 statements and then we have to write one by one. Here this is called as pyramid. Okay. Let me arrange the sentences. Okay, students, let me read it first and then we have to arrange the sentence. Okay. Holmes found the tunnel from the cellar to the bank's strong room. Wilson was assigned to copy the encyclopedia. Wilson asked Sherlock Holmes for help. Wilson got the job in the red-headed league. And Spaulding and Rose were caught by the famous detective. One day he found the notice that the red-headed league was dissolved. Holmes recognized Spaulding, who was actually John Clay, a notorious criminal. Let me rearrange the sentences. First, which one is first? See, Wilson got the job in the red-headed league, right? This one is first. Wilson got the job in the red-headed league. And second one is Spaulding and Rose were caught by the famous detective. And then third one is Wilson was assigned to copy the encyclopedia. And fourth one is, one day he found the notice that the red-headed league was dissolved. It is the fourth statement. And fifth one is, Wilson asked Sherlock Holmes for help. Fifth one is, Wilson asked Sherlock Holmes for help. And sixth one is, Holmes recognized Spaulding, who was actually John Clay, a notorious criminal, is the sixth statement. And last one is, Holmes found the tunnel from the cellar to the bank's strong room, right? This one is seventh statement. So then, now we are all arrange the sentence, right? We have to find the correct order and we have to write in the pyramid one by one. Okay, students, first you have to take your pencil. You have to write it in your book. First sentence. Wilson got the job in the red, right? Wilson got the job in the red-headed league. And second sentence is Spalding and Rose were. Spalding and Rose were caught by the famous detective. Famous detective. And third one is Wilson was assigned to copy the encyclopedia. Wilson was assigned to copy the encyclopedia. Encyclopedia. And then fourth statement is, see, one day he found the notice that the red-headed leak was dissolved. And then fifth statement is Wilson asked Sherlock Holmes for help. Wilson asked Sherlock Holmes for help. And then sixth statement is Holmes recognized Spaulding, who was actually John Clay, a notorious criminal. Holmes recognized Spaulding, who was actually John Clay, a notorious criminal. And then seventh one is Holmes found the tunnel from the cellar to the bank's strong room. This is the last one, right? Holmes found the tunnel from the cellar to the bank's strong room. Yes. Let me read. First, Wilson got the job in the red-headed leak, right? Then, Spaulding and Rose were caught by the famous detective. And third one is Wilson was assigned to copy the encyclopedia. And fourth one is one day he found the notice that the red-headed leak was dissolved. And next one is Wilson asked Sherlock Holmes for help. And Holmes recognized Spaulding, who was actually John Clay, a notorious criminal. And last one, Holmes found the tunnel from the cellar to the bank's strong room. Yes. Okay, students, are you all understood? You have to write it in your note. The question, answer the following questions, right? You have to write it in your note and then read and memorize. You have to read the glossaries, passage. Okay. Okay, students, keep safe at your home. Those who are not paid your school fees, kindly you have to paid your school fees and bring your books. Okay, students? Thank you. Keep safe at your home.